In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create call-only ad campaigns in Google Ads. Setting up a call-only campaign can be a powerful way to directly connect potential customers with your business via a phone call. This type of campaign can be particularly effective for service-based businesses that depend heavily on customer inquiries. Let's dive in and walk you through this straightforward process. First things first, head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is your main hub for managing and creating Google Ads campaigns. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. Logging into your Google Ads account is crucial because it gives you access to all the tools you'll need to set up your call-only ads. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Google Ads home screen if you aren't directed there automatically. It serves as your portal to everything you need for creating and managing campaigns. Now find the Goals option and give it a click. Goals help you specify what you want to achieve with your campaigns, so defining them is a fundamental step in ensuring your marketing efforts align with your business objectives. Next up, you'll want to look for the Conversions section and click on it. Setting up conversions allows you to track how your ads impact phone calls, which is significant for assessing the quality and effectiveness of your advertising efforts. Now on the conversions page, click on New Conversion Action. This step will enable you to start tracking the actions you want customers to take, providing valuable insights into how people interact with your ads. After clicking to create a new conversion action, you'll be presented with several options. Choose phone calls from this menu. This is the heart of setting up a call-only campaign, as it will focus on encouraging potential customers to get in touch with you via phone. It's essential to have your business phone number ready, as this will be required later in the setup process. Finally, the system will prompt you to enter more details related to the conversion, such as the call length indicating a successful conversion, call extension durations, and the category they fall into. Filling out these sections accurately will help Google better understand your conversion goals, optimize your ads, and ultimately connect you with the right customers. And there you have it. You've taken the key steps to set up a call-only ad campaign on Google Ads. By following these instructions, you're on your way to creating an efficient and effective marketing strategy that directly connects your business with potential clients. Remember, clear communication and immediate customer engagement are vital, and call-only campaigns can provide exactly that. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.